guys. We're going on a raft. We're going to the lagoon, and this is the raft. It's beautiful, right? Let's see. Let's go. Pray for me. Pray for me. Pray for your sister, okay? So we're going. 1,000 US a night? Mm-hmm. Okay. Right. Really? The second one? Oh, okay. Look how clear the water is, guys. It's so clear. It's beautiful.
Oh.
I'm on Basco?
No, you own
NCB Bank, okay. So he is building these one.
This one going to be the most biggest and the most expensive on the waterfront.
Okay.
All of them natural minerals being there like fresh water.
Wow, underneath it? Oh wow.
Here they design a part of it to be the swimming pool. So they're going to have a saltwater swimming pool here. So when they eat it, they're going to dive on top of water and glass in this one.
Oh
so
wow.
The most fanciest and the most expensive in the water. Also the most
Okay.
Yeah, tired, guys. Sleep it up. Keep it turn for her.
All the properties that's on the lagoon. Okay. Oh, so the water that comes from underneath it? The water coming from underneath it. Can you see it, guys? Natural spring water coming from underneath the house that he's building. $28 million. Over here now, stay. Exactly. The ocean, that's for free. Don't it? When me I take 28 million to buy a house,
and the land, you know, you can get a bigger mansion than this, you know, for more.
Exactly.
For lesser.
Less, way less. Yeah, yeah. Did he pass away the other day, yeah? Okay. Beautiful beachfront, guys. Beautiful beach.
Right here, one by the kids of Bam Marley, Damian Marley.
One by who?
Yeah, Damian Marley.
Damian Marley, okay.
Family own this one right here. This one right here. This
Yeah.
one, here.
Look at my feet in the water. See how clear the water is? Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. See all these beachfront properties? Nice. They said Daryl bars on that one. The best dressed chicken? It's called the Monkey Island. There's no monkey on it though, but it's called the Monkey Island.
Probably when we ready to go around and pick you
The
up.
road, right? The road. Monkey Island. But there's no monkey. Guys, look at that boat coming. You see the Jamaican flag on it? I have no idea. Yeah. I think they just had a party over by the Turkey, the Monkey Island. So now they're going back. You see? Yes. That's beautiful, guys.
Look so.
See my come up?
Mm-hmm.
Come up, boy, eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, we're in the Blue Lagoon. Yes, I know the sun. The sun is killing me. The sun. But it's nice. This is the Blue Lagoon. Is it still open? Oh. Bar and grill. Yep.
Yeah, one little road 3 past or so. You look now, you're on the road, there'll be a bus. What's not even a little staircase?
Nothing.
Where? Oh. Yeah. Eat a palm tree then. Yeah.
Oh, so the swing song game, I'm gonna take picture. Eh? See the swing song? Guys, this is the place that I'm staying at in Portland. All Nations Guest House. I would recommend it if you got a lot of money to spend. I'm just kidding. I mean, it's pretty reasonable, but yeah. Living room area. Guys, there's a lizard on the wall. My mom would go crazy if she saw that lizard. So guys, hey, good morning. So last night when I was videoing the guest house, I didn't get to show you the view because it was in the nighttime. So this is the view in the daytime. It's beautiful, right? You have ocean view. There's some nice coconut tree. You got ackee tree. You got mango tree. The infamous Julie mango tree. So yeah, this is the guest house that I stayed at. In Portland. All Nation Guest House. Can you see? So until next time, Portland. Bye bye.